Welcome back to the Daily Grind, everyone. So I came out here and finally saw what are the starts of a tomato. It's the first one. Up until now, they've just been flowers, starting to flower, and then nothing happens like that. They haven't been going, and it's because it's too hot. It's just been way too hot here. And I read that anything over 90 degrees, that tomatoes, the flowers won't produce anything, which has been the case. This is the most heat tolerant of all my tomato varieties. It's a San Marzano, and it does the best in the heat. And it's the first to fruit, which makes sense. Now I do have the shade cloth. It's been 95 degrees now, better than the 105 that we had last week, and this week it's dropping. It's 95 today, and finally we've got the starts of a tomato that quick, guys. So I think we will start seeing a couple more here and there as time goes, and hopefully I get a pretty decent harvest here. I've got enough time until winter to be able to get some, if I can get some of these to start producing. I can get some bigger beef steaks as well from that as well. So, by the way, if any of you have seen anything like this before, please let me know what the heck is going on. Weird deformation in this. It looks like it should be a flower, but nothing's happened. It's really weird. I've never seen anything that looks like that. So if you guys have, let me know what that is. Please comment in the comment section. Let me know. So anyway, I will see you guys on the next video. Now you guys try to escape the daily grind.